This past year, M&M came alongside our organization and raised a total of $24,769. This all goes towards Grace's meal support program, which provides food for students living in poverty in Guatemala. And so altogether, this provided 19,800 meals for the students living in poverty in Guatemala.
We send care packages to people across the country, and they've been an active supporter of our facility in Crown Point, Indiana, where we have thousands of volunteers that come through, which touch thousands of lives, people who work on those care packages and those cards.
They are helping with our mission to provide safe, affordable home ownership for low-income families in Lake County, Indiana.
M&M Roofing has been a longtime partner with the Women's Center.
Not only that, but they've held packing events at their facility, and they've sent their employees and their families to come in and serve, which I think is fantastic for families to be able to serve together.
They're making it possible for these families to get a good start and get stabilized.
What's really unique about M&M is that they are proactive in seeking out organizations that they can partner with to make a huge difference in the communities that they both serve.
So I really appreciate it. Thank you, M&M. You're doing great work, and we look forward to partnering together more in the future.
We appreciate so much M&M and all of their wonderful work. So thank you.
And we are so grateful for them because we could not do what we do without organizations like M&M Roofing.